Hey traders, I'm super excited to introduce you to an incredibly powerful indicator that could potentially revolutionize your trading game. But first things first, to get access to this game changer, check out the link in the description below. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of this indicator. Here are the settings you need to tweak for optimal performance. Head over to the input section and make sure to set the signals to confirmation signals. Then don't forget to flick on both the trend finder and trend snatcher. These are absolute game changers. Turn on the autopilot frequency to short term. Scroll down to the trend finder and set the mode to fast, with the fast length at 10 and slow length to 40. This fast mode is crucial as it helps us spot trends faster, giving us a competitive edge in the market. And don't overlook the styles section. Crank up that line thickness for better visibility. Let me give you a quick rundown of how these indicators work. The confirmation signals are based on a performance-adaptive trend-following methodology. They aim to confirm any potential actions you might take, especially when used alongside other indicator overlays. There are two types of confirmation signals: normal signals and strong signals. Strong signals are signals that are in accordance with the current estimated trend, while normal signals can be caused by a retracement. The trend snatcher, on the other hand, is your go-to trend-following algorithm. It estimates the underlying trend in the price, green for uptrend and red for downtrend. It's perfect for capturing those longer-term trends. Now, the trend finder is quite similar, but it's more reactive, aiming to detect those early trends. Just like the trend snatcher, its color indicates the detected trend. Now that you're familiar with the indicators, let's talk about how to use them to enter trades effectively. When entering a long trade, wait for both the trend snatcher and trend finder to turn green. Then, for confirmation, look for a buy or strong buy signal. But remember, it's crucial that the candle closes above both the trend snatcher and trend finder for the signal to be valid. Once all criteria are met, it's time to enter the trade. Set your stop loss to the recent low and aim for a 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Conversely, for a short trade, wait for the trend snatcher and trend finder to turn red. Look for a sell or strong sell signal for confirmation, ensuring the candle closes below both indicators. If all conditions align, enter the trade, setting your stop loss to the recent high and targeting that sweet 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Now, let's talk about what not to do if you receive a sell or strong sell signal, but then the trend finder and trend snatcher turn red. It's a no-go. Remember, we want to see the trend finder and trend snatcher align with the signal for a valid entry. The same principle applies to long entries. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide on how to use this incredible indicator to elevate your trading game. Don't forget to check out the link below to get your hands on this powerful tool. Happy trading!